For many years, two officers had been twisting their ordinary duties into tools of oppression. Every so-called routine check they carried out became an opportunity to harass and target black families, proving to themselves that their authority was untouchable. They thrived on intimidation, believing no one would challenge them. On one hot afternoon, their focus shifted toward a young black mother traveling with her infant. To their eyes, she seemed like an ideal victim, alone, fragile, and easy to pressure. The insults rolled off their tongues with ease. The threats grew stronger, each one driven by the arrogant confidence that nothing could stop them. What they failed to realize was that this woman was not only brave, but she carried within her the authority of law. She was the state's attorney, and the entire machinery of their abuse was about to collapse under the weight of justice. Before diving into the details, the storyteller would normally remind viewers to share where they are watching from and to subscribe for the next episode. But for Alana Pierce, the day began like any other. The blazing afternoon sun glared off the hood of Alana's silver sedan as she drove home from her baby's doctor appointment. In the rearview mirror, she could see 2-month-old Noah resting peacefully in his seat, his small chest rising and falling in a steady rhythm. Relief had washed over her after hearing the pediatrician say Noah's lungs were improving and that his weight was on track. For a brief moment, she allowed herself to enjoy the calm. That calm shattered instantly. Blue and red lights flickered in her mirror, accompanied by the sharp wail of a siren. Her pulse spiked. She quickly checked the speedometer. She was right at the limit. With practiced composure, she clicked on her signal and eased her vehicle toward the curb, pulling far enough aside to ensure traffic could continue smoothly. Her breathing slowed as she placed both hands firmly on the steering wheel at 10 and 2, lowering her window to wait. 2 uniformed officers approached, one on each side. The older one wore a sergeant's stripes. He moved in first while the younger hung back slightly. From the corner of her eye, Alana noticed the younger man's hand hovering near his holster, despite her motionless, non-threatening posture. The sergeant's badge identified him as Daly. His partner's nameplate read Mercer. "License and registration," Daly barked, wasting no words. "Of course, officer," Alana answered evenly, her voice calm. "My registration is inside the glove box. I'll reach for it now." She moved deliberately, aware of every twitch in their posture as she retrieved the papers. Mercer had shifted around to her passenger side window, leaning in to glare at her.